Hey guys, welcome back to Thread and Glue Designs. My name is Stephanie, and today I got a surprise in the mail and I wanted to share it, opening it with you. This is from Miss Margaret Hernandez or Lovinger. So let's just dive in. I'm so excited. She's spoiling me. This is the second one she sent me. There we go. We got it cut open now. Oh my. That's all kind of stuff in there. Oh, there's a note on this side. Let's see what it says. Look at all the pretties. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Love all the shiny. Look at these fun little things. They're so fuzzy. I better read the note, huh? Enjoy your magazine. Fabric I used is a pastel colors of pink, pale blue, and gray, pink leather pocket, purple trim, gold metallic, musical fabric. Left side pink and white flowers, right side purple. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this trim. I have some in a different color, but I've never seen it in this bright trim. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty too. Wow. Oh, Women of the Bible. It's a magazine cover. That is so interesting. That's so smart. Life magazine. We learn in Genesis that Rebekah was very fair to look upon. One day while at the well in Nahor, Mesopotamia, here in a painting by the English artist Frederick Goodall, she met Eleazar, a servant sent by Abraham in search of a wife for his son Isaac. She accompanied Eleazar back to Canaan, married Isaac, and became a matriarch of the Bible traditions. How cool. What is this magazine called? I gotta look. Oh, it is just the Life magazine. It's an Women of the Bible edition. So cool. 25 enduring stories. That's really pretty. I like that print there. Get that pushed back up in there. There we go. So pretty. Thousands of years after Jerusalem was founded, it continues to be a site of great religious meaning for Jews, Christians, and Muslims. Much of the city is built from local limestone which glows white and pink in the sun. Oh, so pretty. Lessons from their lives. Oh my, I'm going to have to read all of this. But I won't do it on film, y'all. I promise I won't. Just the highlights. The story of Naomi and Ruth, the subject of this 1859 painting by Emily Livy, is one of mothers, daughters, marriages, and a woman whose seemingly incidental decision reverberates through the generations. Oh, I skipped a page somehow. There we go. Tintorretino's 16th century depiction of the crucifixion includes the women who supported Mary in her hour of grief, seen here in detail. Oh my, I have never seen a magazine like this. This is so cool. Rachel and Leah both loved Jacob, but the patriarch loved Rachel more than Leah. The sisters, seen in a 19th century British engraving, endured a bitter rivalry as they each sought to bear the heirs Jacob desires. Women of the Old Testament. Eve, mother of all living. Eve was one of the two innocents in the Garden of Eden, and there she met a crafty serpent above in a 19th century pastel and gouache by the French symbolist artist Lucien Levy Dermer. The serpent convinced her to eat from the tree of knowledge, which led God, opposite in an engraving by the 19th century French artist Gustave Dore, to expel her and Adam from paradise. This is amazing artwork. I can just imagine walking these streets, these paths. Sarah and Hagar, lost in the wilderness and desperate for water. The cave of Machpelah, Abraham's servant Eleazar. I don't know why I always put an A in that. Of Damascus. Rebecca, Asherah. This is so cool. I'm actually just reading about these people in the Old Testament during my Bible study time. As it once was, sheep grazing in the Judean hill outside of Bethlehem are a sight not so different from one that would have been seen in the time of the matriarchs. Rachel and Leah, two sisters in one fraught household. Leah's eyes were lovely, and Rachel was graceful and beautiful. Beyond the text, Rachel's tomb. Zipporah, quick thinking wife. We read about that story, didn't we? Hard service in mortar and brick. This is just beautiful. I just can't fathom how they could do such amazing work back then without any of the conveniences we have today. It's just amazing the will of mankind. Miriam, Miriam's cup. Hmm. When the Israelites arrived at Jericho, Joshua's warriors and 7 priests circled the city with the Ark of the Covenant for 7 days, On the final day, Joshua commanded all his people to shout. As they raised their voices, the walls fell down flat, as illustrated in a fresco at the Vatican. Deborah in this painting. Delilah. Oh, Delilah. The judge Samson could not resist. Ruth. Guarding a holy city. Man, that is gorgeous. Hmm. Bathsheba. David's downfall. I guess he wasn't a downfall. It just did him in pretty good for a little while. Hmm. Jezebel. Judas. Oh my goodness, Margaret, this is amazing. Esther. Esther's tomb. Fit for a king. I can just see walking along these edges, just looking out over your kingdom. It's the Persian palace of Persepolis was built by Darius the First, father of Xerxes the First, also known as Ahasuerus. Xerxes the First was the husband of Esther. He invaded Greece in the 5th century BCE and burned the Parthenon. When Alexander set out to conquer the world a century and a half later, he captured Persepolis and destroyed the royal palace. Hmm. Oh. Following the birth of Jesus, Herod ordering the killing of all boys 2 years old and under in Bethlehem. Women of the New Testament. Mary. The angel Gabriel appeared to the teenage Mary. The wedding feast of Cana. Hmm. How amazing it must have been sculpting this. Every curve, every fold in the fabric. Wow. This looks so homey. Mary's home in Ephesus. Mary's tomb. Elizabeth. Mary's kin and mother of St. John the Baptist. During his ministry. The Samaritan woman. Jesus arriving in the district of Tyre and Sidon, an unnamed Canaanite woman approached him, shouting, "Have mercy on me, Lord, Son of David. My daughter is tormented by a demon." Though the woman was not Jewish, Jesus realized that she believed, and he responded, "Woman, great is your faith. Let it be done for you as you wished." And her daughter was healed instantly. Beyond the daily life, a grove of almond trees near, near the hills of Samaria. Mary and Martha of Bethany. Salome's dance, the bewitching dancer. Wow. Mary Magdalene. These colors are beautiful. In her honor, the Church of St. Mary Magdalene, with its 7 gilded onion domes, stands on the western side of Jerusalem's Mount of Olives. Caesar Alexander III of Russia had it built in 1888 in memory of his mother, Empress Maria Alexandrovna, who had Mary as her patron saint. Hmm. Priscilla, messenger of Christ's word. Visla, I think is how you'd say it. This was done by Giovanni Battista. Wow. The inventor of Johannes Gutenberg lived in Mainz, Germany, and originated the method of movable type. His creation, which made possible the mass production of books such as this Bible from 1455, revolutionized printing and the world. How amazing. What a cool idea to cover a magazine you want to keep for a long time. Beautiful. Wow, that's so pretty. Great job. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Miss Margaret. What a wonderful gift. I love it. Thank you so, so much. Fun dangles. I love dangles and shiny things. All right, guys, I just wanted to share this sweet package with you, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.